Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert SD card to LAMAX W9.1. And to do this, first we'll need to open our battery compartment located right here. You'll need to press on this button and then pull the hatch in that direction how the camera is pointing. So let's try it. Yep, it just opened, and inside we can find the slot for SD card. So take one like this, and I think it should be aligned like that. Nope. So then like that. Nope. It was a proper direction the first time. And now we'll need to use something thin or our fingernail to push it in until you hear the click. Then to remove it, you will need to press on that same card, and it should go out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.